All right, you're welcome back. Yes, time don't reach for us to meet our guests, so we get for inside the studio today. But it be like say we will leave our phone lines open for you to call us. Put your mouth inside them. 01277-2195, 01277-7195, and 01277-8195. Now, a lot of people they come outside ask the question: is the president really pursuing a northern agenda? Now, plenty of people don't come outside support, say no, he's not. Let us just give him time. Why a lot of people, a lot of Nigerians, they come outside criticize him, saying they favor people from the north. Now, speaking with us concerning our top story of the day and all other things, we get Mr. Mike Naoro. Mr. Mike Enauro, him a human rights activist, engineer by training, and also a social commentator. And sometimes people, they actually call him the political prophet. Now, he gets a national diploma for mechanical stroke production engineering from inside Federal Polytechnic, Auchi. He can still go further to do BSc for inside University of Benin, where he gets a mechanical engineering degree for there. Now, he gets a master's for inside business administration for inside Obafemi Awolowo University Ile-Ife, and also he gets a Masters of Science for Inside Engineering from the University of Lagos. Now, he's also the convener of Dynamic Liberation Group, DLG, Operation Total Probe Support Group. He's a member Nigerian First NF, in an Integration Summit Group of Nigeria, in a member too, and plenty others we don't chuki and inside. Now, join me, welcome Mr. Mike inside the studio. Welcome, sir.
Yeah,
welcome. Welcome. How are you doing? How your night?
We thank God.
All right, straight away, make we knock the thing with on top of our dome, the thing with for our front burner. This one concern our top story. Now, you be person where don't they monitor our political system right from as long as you don't they monitor them, and with the way where you don't get enough papers in your portfolio, we not say a lot of things go down on ground. What do you think about this top story now? Because people don't they come and say they talk, say it be like say Oga Buhari don't really get a own motive now to make sure say as many northerners as possible go kolobi the seats where they on top of our political system. How you feel about that one? If you say that now waiting the waka go or truly the best of Nigeria they for inside the mind?
Our president, you know, so I hear say some people they talk say wetin he do he good. Sabi, provided you get better people when you go work with them. And some other people they talk say, if na abroad like America, they don't need to get people spread all over the country. But you see, me I get different view because I hear one person when big person recently talk say, this na person where you don't work for big people for this country. In a human rights activist, say no, it doesn't matter. Nigeria get a special way for this country. If you look at Nigeria and America are different. For instance, for Nigeria, now you go see Igbo, now you go see Yoruba, now you go see Hausa, now you go see Ifik, and different. In fact, I don't believe people, all of them, they're there. You see, for you to stabilize the political environment, you must make sure say every person you touch them. Especially when it could be say this country get as it be anything at all if it be quarrel. Anything when go divide us for this country, it's not supposed to be at all. You know, you sabi say this appointment when this Oga Patapata they give. Some of us don't talk say, you know, these people, our people when our brother were there for this north side, they get one agenda. If you remember, so during the time of Ahmadu Bello, they ask a question. You get one interview where they ask, and it is still the internet today. They come ask and say, okay, how you see if you want to employ people, you know what he talk? He talk say first, he go first consider Hausa.
That for the 80s.
He said Hausa agenda. Hausa agenda. Yes, now so he talk. He said Hausa agenda go first consider Hausa. Before you can't consider expatriate, before you can't consider Nigeria, the thing there everywhere.
No, but you know say that time.
Now,
like
that time, excuse me, yes, that time don't pass. But you see, when Obasanjo come, he spread everything. When Jonathan come, he spread everything. But now, people say the man get honesty. Me, I not get problem with that too, because not true. Now so we dey hear am. But if you check the list, for 42 people when they say he don't give the job now.
29 of them.
35 of them, as what I hear, I don't know whether na true, because I not there for Azo Rock. 35 of them. Now from north, only 7 now from south. No, that one, you know, you get a CB. Some people they tell us say many jobs still there, opposition still there when they go put people. If if many positions still dey, if na 10 people he bring now, he go share am for the place. If another time he wan bring another 10 people, he go share am. And if he dey share around that, even this talk sef, we no go need am.
All right, make I ask you one question. Now, based on the 35 people where you don't actually appoint for inside seats, now a lot of people, they come outside talk, say, these people not based on credibility, not based on the fact they ain't don't work with them before, or you don't check their track record, and these people are credible enough to take over this particular seat. So what do you think about the credibility of the people where you don't appoint inside? Do you feel that we not get credible people from the southeast, from the south-south?
What do they call am credibility? First and foremost, let me tell you, if leader, when he say he be leader, he really ready say, I want to do this thing, you don't need credibility. Yes, let me tell you. You get your view, I get my view.
Oh, yes.
And I go tell you why I talk like that.
Okay.
If, for instance, I sit down here, Gadagba, and me employ una, I go say, this is how I want my work. This is the thing, this is the thing. If you spoil am, and the law put in place, say, if you spoil am, see where you go do, I go send you to jail. I'm not going to even waste time. Bata. In fact, as I send you to jail, that other person, when they be the way, say, hey, this person, he go sit down tight. I remember those days when we dey for village. Small pikin go thief something for soup. You know what they go do? They go come give that small pikin that soup, may hold am. If na woman, they'll say, now you get this week, may you hold am. You see, it get as when you take manage things. Let me tell you the issue of credibility. I feel analyze those people when they don't appoint. Maybe if you permit me small, I go give you
Okay.
Let me talk about the recent one when they don't give now. We are talking about set credibility. This man, when we know, Hamid Ali.
Okay.
If you remember, now he be the Kaduna State governor.
Oh, yes.
When Abacha dey alive. Now through him, he and Oga Patapata, when he dey Oga at the top now. Now he through him, because he know he still know Oga Patapata. Now he make link am to Abacha when they can give am make come hold petroleum that time. If see, you get many things when they go underground. Now that is not even what I'm saying. If you remember Sarowiwa, now the man, now he be the police gandon for soldier. When they carry, when they arrange and when they kill that person.
They kill the other person.
So whatever the man do, where that's Sarowiwa, we not go agree when he talk. Now he go reach to kill him. Okay, that one never reach. How can you know what they call Igbo people go to say a rubbish career? How you carry soldier go put am for custom? You reason for that one. What is the credibility? What is the honest? Make me I even tell you another one. Somebody when he come on, I not mention name when he go jump gates. Yes, he get criteria. He don't be do well for legislative business.
Politics.
Yes, he do well. What do you want go carry that person you do for there? If you want to talk about credibility, in fact, these last 6 people where he even I can tell you say now let 2 or 3 with him manage, but one of them, the best one, when I say they go fit take there for when to say the one where they call as chief CFO for there, waiting at the chief of staff.
Yes.
That man, if you check record, bam bam.
Everything,
but
Chief of Army Staff.
Chief of Defense Staff.
Okay.
All right, we get call from Calabar. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Niger Princess.
Good morning.
Good morning,
right.
Niger Afghan.
All right, good morning. Go ahead, please.
Good morning, Mr. Mike.
Oh, good morning, madam.
Yeah, all right. Okay, make I make small contribution, I beg.
All right.
Waiting at the appointment so far, I know see no suits every Nigeria. But get another thing where I see. Another thing where I see be say, if it be say now people will go their loyalty to this man, we go fit believe, we go fit help in administration move forward. Now in the appoint so. And I also believe that if now to appoint all the Northern to make Nigeria better, I think you should go on and continue. Yeah, I'm not from northern part, I'm from eastern part. But it's not really affecting me. If these people are truly those people that will lead us to the promised land, let this man go ahead and appoint. And I also pray that God will not let the man down. Thank you.
Thank you very
and God
much.
bless you all.
Thank you very much. All right, don't forget to we still get our guest for inside the studio, Mr. Mike, and they talk about the top story for our Bona. And this one concern how the appointment to Oga Barry don't give so far so good. How we be say more than half of them, over 50% of them, they say now from the north. Now, Mr. Michael don't come outside here and say credibility. It is not by credibility according to your own opinion. I need to explain them for us. But you fit to call us, yarn us your own, or ask us any question where you want to ask the guests for inside our studio. 012772195, tabi 012777195, tabi 012778195. All right, Mr. Michael. Now we will talk, Mr. Mike. You talk about credibility or no credibility. Now, if our president don't check and say for all the different states, all the different zones where they for areas, so say the best people if he bring that from now, if they pick the best people where if he say if he do the work. For this kind of matter now, if you say tribe, they actually necessary, even though all of us they clamor for change. Because if you look the other past administration, where they share everything, they try share them to all the different areas them. How many of them really bring the change? What would they change? Would they ask for now? How many of them figure? How many of us as Nigerians figure mouth come outside, come here and say, no, this thing way you do so you no good. This way you do so you no good. How many of those past administration be work well, even as they share for all the area and the zone? So,
may I correct one impression? You sabi say all those career appointments when you give, like all those chief of army staff, chief of defense staff, I don't want to talk good aside because you see those portfolio. Maybe if you be talking, now the next person I be that one.
Okay, before you go on there, we get call from Worry. Hello, good morning.
Victor.
Oh, sorry. All right, if you go ahead.
Okay, I know if you talk good aside, but let me tell you what I'm saying. When Oga Patapata be president for 1984, how old was he? Are you saying now those old men?
83.
Yes, 83.
Yes.
How old was he? I mean, what did be age that time? You say now those old men when you go carry con, now let them there for that area. That is not even when we talk. What we they talk for inside. Now, what we are saying is that if you need change, bring fresh blood. Then they go say, okay, make this is what they get for brain. Now this man when he appoint when he be SSG, you know say na that man he don't for work for NECON. That is Nigeria External Telecommunication when they call it that change that to NITEL.
Yes.
Wetin NITEL be today? Now the same man work
they don't
for.
sell NITEL.
With United work, we not be make them say that. DSC Alaja, the man now he don't fair work for there. What he do for there? That you they hear DSC up to today. What will they produce for there? Up to today, every government they put money for that place. Now they first start those job. Now engineer say bill and not quarry. Now the same there's what they call a data science. Now the man don't work for there. Now this place he work finish, he can't go set up his own when he tell leave up to now. So you not tell me I be engineer. I know what he did there. Why it say if the man call me say Oga now call hold this thing and you say I not go fit do. I'm not even saying myself. There are many young guys in the north when you go fit say okay bring those boys put them for there and they go give a result. You see when you talk about result, if people will not give result all the days, why you say they want to give you result now? Why you not bring these new boys coming now? What me at the for inside,
okay, but we'll get call from Worry right now.
No, Thomas, I think Enugu.
Enugu. Okay, from Enugu.
Thomas, good morning.
Hello.
Thomas, talk to us this morning. Hello. All right, we're going to move on. Thomas, please have a call us on top of phone line 012772195, 012777195, and 012778195. We get Joseph on the line this morning. Hello, Joseph.
Hello?
Hello, Joseph. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. I want to contribute to this one for Zobia TV.
All right, go ahead, please.
I want to contribute this Buhari selection for his cabinet.
All right.
He didn't put any Eastern and it's not good.
Okay.
I mean, so I'm not happy about the whole thing because of it's a kind of discrimination. It's not good. So what I'm saying now is supposed to at least left from east.
All right.
So I'm not happy about the whole thing. So that's what I want to contribute.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, I truly want to ask you a question concerning Ahmed Ibrahim Ali, will be the new controller on top custom. But I just want to keep him aside for now. Because you know, say plenty of people don't come outside to pressurize the president. Say you need to take him out. You need to remove him because he not get any degree concerning custom. Yes. He's a military officer, so you don't need to put that for them. So let's leave it now. Let's talk about the president's 100 days in heaven. I say in heaven.
In office.
In office, I beg. 100 days in office. Now, plenty of people don't come outside applaud and say, yes, he has done a lot of things. He don't clear ground. As he not stay 100 days for inside office. Now you feel say, according by the names where people they call him Papa go slow. You feel say the president has been so slow 100 days?
My sister Sandra, Sarah. No offense, Sandra just entered my mouth. Okay, make I tell you one thing. They say goat comot for Naija go London. Wetin be the name? Na goat go be abi you come change to lion.
It could be Oyibo goat.
Oyibo goat, Naija
I want
goat.
to beg you, may you go read J.T. Jeremiah speech.
Okay.
That time when the one come out for government, he talk say the reason why they comot this man patapata na go slow. Work when they do. Go find that paper. If you go that thing, go internet. In fact, if you don't get that, I go root and give you, make you go read them. So what they are trying to tell you be say the go slow where people they talk. Now what it be that? But people go tell you say they try to clear the rubbish where they don't do for ground. See, my sister, let me tell you one thing for this life. If me, I want to do something, and this number when you don't contest for almost like 3 times now, 4 times, if I'm not mistaken. Now the 4th time, now you don't win. Now be say, he suppose don't get everything when you know say you want to do it, they plan for ground. 3 months, you want to put up your cabinet. May I ask you one question? All this appointment when they do, who they do for them? Now that's what they call a kaba. He said that not only they use military fiat they do, or you get one kaba where they help and say, now this one you go pick. But maybe I tell you the appointment for your information if you don't know. Me, I call a thank you appointment, and I feel analyze them, and I go tell you how it be a thank you.
Why you
Yes.
appointment?
If it be say, it go here say people go don't talk now, you go just carry out one appointment. You go talk, put that one. People go clap for that one. Not be like that. For instance, when we talk, now you can't go bring Kachuku for MD for NLPC. You say first class. As they do, he balance up with NCC from that side. But make I ask you one after the other. This corner, when we still go there because his name go continue to reign. He called them. Now be the. I tell you say now he can join Abacha when they give him a job that time. Now be the chairman fundraising committee when they do the election. When he win when they stay for defense house, now they stay there with them. What be this one? Not be thank you. That same man, that other man. Anything when I talk for here, I dey talk. If may they quote me anyway,
you get your facts. You get your.
Yes, I go tell you where I forget them. This thing not dey high. You see, what you dey know for this life? As I dey talk for here now, people when they look my back, they dey there. They don't know if you talk about me here now. They go tell you everything when me not waiting me I don't know. They go tell you now. That man when they appoint the SSG when we talk say night expo night say remember say that time when in a senior pastor for Ekwa Church and this man the position when he be for that church he be like bishop like Catholic and all those church. So that time when they do thing. Now he talk say can't. Now he sponsor that idea when he say can't share money give some pastor for not. Now so I'm trying to tell you say now thank you for the work when they do. So if you
how you take get your proof saying now you share the money because sometimes we need to be careful.
Now he talk. Now I don't say now share this is you not hear that not been on a day paper now a day for paper when they talk say Jonathan give some people money. All this one na to discredit somebody. For instance, listen, I not talk say Jonathan he do well, he not do well. That one a different thing. It's a different ball game entirely. So, but what I'm saying, if you come analyze their appointment one after the other, you'll see say na thank you. And most of them when it come out, not set I don't dey quarrel now. Not center because we just dey talk say na not set I don't dey quarrel now. Now not west. Now you get the appointment.
We get call now. We get Onyinye on the call on the phone. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Then I change we want back. I change Baba saying you won't give us now.
Yes, that's what you talk.
What the change where they give us no be better change now. Yeah?
Why they talk so?
I don't talk to say carry everything they give in people now. Make you give us better change. You know, say and good luck rule contact people with family.
Alright.
Yeah? You know what contact people with your own family. I said make you us better. Me, I don't get work, but by God's grace, I will get work.
Amen.
All right, thank you
very much, Onyinye. All right, one last question I would like to ask you now. You know, say like you talk, saying don't come out for presidency, no, like more than 2-3 times, and we know, say when you they come out for something, you figure you supposed to get experience, but that's place where you enter, so you know go know that place day. You go just you see them from afar. Now when you enter, then you go know say things no level as it is, say things level. So I want to ask you now, make we assume say you be president of this country, how you go make sure say you go share the position equally. You go share am where you know go be like say favorism day, like say tribalism day. You go share am in such a way when I say now the best people, the best candidate, then go get that seat.
My sister, waiting for this life, waiting you not get, you know they give them. Leadership, it's not about experience.
Really?
Yeah, it's not just about experience.
Okay, not just.
You see, there are people, you get some people where they're born, that is, they get that charisma.
They have the leadership spirit.
Do you understand? Now, if as me I did now, people they say I told you, me I don't know. But it gets some people when I go stand for a president now, if I talk, they go listen to me. Not be because say I even get anything to say. They go see, oh, this guy get this thing. Now, for the story when the question when you ask, make I tell you, with just one experience, life is about this life. It be how you plan your thing. As you enter government, get one time when we did school those days when we come, they say, okay, we want do one thing. You know, say for Okada, we know they allow now Unibear for graduate to
yes.
now that one are the best school for the whole world. Yes, now. Now, you know, say that time that they use Okada for inside school.
Yes, bicycle.
Motorcycle. And they call it Okada. You know, say
yes.
for our people now, Okada we can't know and put. Now that they use Okada, and we can say this school now want make sure say it be like an international school when it be say not be Okada they go they use it for inside. Now we can't talk and for among student union executive. We can't say okay, how we go do this one now? We can't say no. Most of the Okada when they inside. Now students get her, that they use until they even do money when they do school. Because if you talk about this Okada now, wahala go gas. Because how we go do it? Okay, make we approach school, make the open and make the people, make they bring shuttle system, make they work. Now school come cook through big small money, they come buy some buses. As they buy some buses, you call they work. We leave the Okada because you hear say that time they talk say I do MBA. See, the area when I specialize in management of change. If you want to do something, there is a way you go do the thing. You go allow two things to run simultaneously. As they run together, then you can't bring the other thing. Wow. Now, so you know what we can't do? We can't say, okay, Okada they run. When rainy season come, they show. Now we put the motto everywhere. You can't they run. People say no, they use Okada now. Motto they can't they earn.
All right, so I understand. Say you go use step by step to actually handle the affairs of Nigeria. Just in a few lines, because we need to actually pass some more break right about now and end this interview. How you see the outcome from the ministerial list where we they expect in September, because this is the end of the month and we they expect them to bring out the list of the ministers. You feel say you go share them equally? Just in your own words.
Ministerial appointment na constitution talker. No need to even say it's sharer. Because now that one people they list to say want to cover all. It's different from all those appointments when they make.
Okay.
Ministerial appointment now each state go bring
out their own person.
Assuming constitution not even day. If na person when sabi something, he go say okay. You know say sabi say Edo Delta na one state before.
Yes.
You say okay Edo Delta. If na because we hear say the man say he want reduce expenses. Go say Edo Delta. You know say na be brothers and sisters. Make 12 now bring one person.
But they go agree.
Wait first now. Why they not go agree? When you take approach something na it matter because they be the same thing. Now you remember say when we dey small pikin we go they say Anambra say Enugu. I don't know wetin they call a state that time. Then that means Anambra and Enugu they be brothers. You go say, brother, do this thing. So why you go? You see, you don't even need to say, okay, this appointment, this one and this one. If you like, may not bring sharer. You cannot do that one. Ministerial appointment. Just forget that one.
All right, so I actually enjoyed this interview. Thank you so much, Abby. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Manner of approach and we talk about so for change to come to place. All right, well, thank you. So you come inside with studios
today. We surely need to bring you back.
Definitely, because a very interesting interview when we get and people they try calling, but I know say another time we'll call you. Hope say you go feel come inside with studios. Come yan.
I do na hand. Anytime when I call us, by the grace of God, if person not die, waiting go make this country obodo go forward. Now consign us.
All right, so we're going to need to buy small break right about now. The next bus stop now they carry you go, but for now you need to hold it because Wazobia TV, now we TV, they come back.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.